Andrew Joseph Cohen, born on June 2, 1968, in St. Louis, Missouri, is an influential American figure in the realms of television and radio. With a career spanning over 3 decades, Cohen has established himself as a charismatic talk show host, an innovative producer, a best-selling author, and a cultural icon. Best known as the host and executive producer of Bravo's Watch What Happens Live, and the mastermind behind the Real Housewives franchise, Cohen's name is synonymous with modern entertainment. His voice extends to the airwaves through a popular Sirius XM show co-hosted with John Hill. Did you know Andy Cohen is the first openly gay host of an American late-night talk show? Today, we'll explore the fascinating life of the legendary Andy Cohen, covering his career, children, partner, net worth, and an exclusive look at his home. Don't forget to hit that like button. Let's get started. Cohen's professional journey began as an intern at CBS News, where he quickly climbed the ranks, eventually serving as senior producer on major programs like The Early Show. His vision and creative prowess shone at Bravo, where, as Executive Vice President of Development and Talent until 2013, he crafted groundbreaking formats, unearthed fresh talent, and earned accolades such as a Primetime Emmy Award and 2 Peabody Awards. His executive producer role in the James Beard Award-winning Top Chef further cemented his reputation for excellence. In addition to his work behind the scenes, Cohen has thrived in front of the camera. He revived the dating show Love Connection, hosted high-profile events like Miss USA, and portrayed himself in hit shows such as Saturday Night Live, The Comeback, and Riverdale. His memoirs, Most Talkative and The Andy Cohen Diaries, reached New York Times bestseller status, offering readers an intimate glimpse into his dynamic life. His third memoir, Superficial, continued this trend of success. Cohen's contributions extend beyond entertainment. He launched Sirius XM's Radio Andy, curating shows with notable personalities and producing unique specials, such as AC2 Live, a behind-the-scenes look at his national tour with Anderson Cooper. Together, the two have performed in over 50 cities, captivating audiences with their unscripted, conversational stage show. Known for his activism, Cohen declined to co-host the Miss Universe pageant in Russia in protest of the country's anti-gay laws. As the first openly gay host of a late-night talk show, he has broken barriers and inspired others. In 2019, he welcomed his first child, Ben, through surrogacy, followed by his daughter, Lucy, in 2022. Although Ben and Lucy were carried by different surrogates, Cohen said that the two are biological siblings. From appearing as Zeus in Lady Gaga's GUI music video to hosting CNN's New Year's Eve alongside Anderson Cooper, Cohen continues to surprise, entertain, and redefine the boundaries of his craft. At 56, with a reported net worth of $50 million, Cohen's home reflects his eclectic and colorful persona. The living room is a curated symphony of textures and eras, a striped Paul Smith sofa, vintage Italian pieces, and a green jute rug anchor the space, while a gold-tiled bar invites spontaneous gatherings. It's no surprise that friends like Anderson Cooper and Sarah Jessica Parker often stop by for impromptu drinks, adding to the apartment's buzzing energy. Upstairs, his office, nicknamed the Clubhouse, is a playful archive of his life. Custom serpentine shelves house everything from high school yearbooks to Peabody and Emmy Awards. The duplex itself is a masterpiece of transformation. When Cohen learned the elderly resident above him was nearing the end of his life, he did what he calls the creepy New York thing of checking in with the doorman about his neighbor's health. Once the apartment became available, Cohen expanded his space with the help of architect Gordon Kahn, whose piece de resistance is a striking staircase that marries Frank Lloyd Wright elegance with Studio 54 flair. Every room tells a story. The kitchen boasts sleek Christopher Peacock cabinets and walnut countertops, while the master bath features luxurious statuary white marble and a soaking tub fit for royalty. His bedroom, with its plaid Ralph Lauren bed and dark, masculine palette, exudes sophistication. Even the guest room, adorned with vintage Mexican blankets and mid-century touches, radiates charm. For Cohen, this apartment is more than a home, it's a reflection of his vibrant life. Whether hosting his legendary 90-guest Christmas party or relaxing with his kids, he's created a space as dynamic and layered as he is. It's weird because nothing matches, but everything matches. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.